Today I am at Chitra Santhe, an annual art festival held on the first Sunday of January. This year marks the 23rd edition, and once again the streets turned into a gallery filled with various painting styles ranging from watercolors, acrylic, oil paintings, mixed media, abstract art, murals, sculptures, and other interesting installations. This year, the theme was environmental challenges, meant to bring awareness to the impact on animals, nature, and our environment. Each year, the entrance of the college is decorated based on the theme. This time, it was transformed into a beautiful beehive, and as you walked in, the pathway was lined with colorful origami animals. I'm glad I attended the Sunday this year and I go back home with a lot of inspirations. If you missed Chitra Santhe this year, do mark your calendars for the first Sunday of January next year. And from Chitrakala Parishad, I went to the National Gallery of Modern Art. They had put up an installation of wooden puppetry. These are few clips from there. And then I also went inside the museum. Videography is prohibited inside the museum, but photographs of paintings are allowed. So I have attached few photographs from the museum at the end. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you like, share and subscribe.